Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well. Today we will do 10 important MCQs of triangles, okay, which carries 1 marks. So these are 1 markers, that is MCQs. Options will be given to you. So you have to know how do you solve that to get the correct option, okay? So let's get started. Now coming to 6th question. 6th question here, if triangle PQR is congruent to triangle EFD. So here also we'll try to make the triangle. So let's make the triangle PQR and triangle EFD. Okay. Then they are asking you. Now here also the triangles are congruent, okay. Triangle PQR is congruent to triangle EFD. They are congruent triangles. That means their corresponding sides are equal, their corresponding angles are also equal, okay. So here they are asking ED. Now which side of ED? Now where is ED here? This is ED, right? So ED is equal to corresponding side. We have to check. Once we draw the diagram, it's very easy for you to identify. Now ED's corresponding side will be PR, right? This is the corresponding side. ED's corresponding side is PR. So here the correct option is PR. Okay, so the correct option is here PR. Right? Okay, now coming to the 7th question. Question number 7. Now in 7th question they have given you triangle PQR. Again we can make the diagram. Triangle PQR congruent to triangle ABC. Okay, here triangle PQR is congruent to triangle ABC. So here they have given PQ is 5 centimeter, angle Q is equal to 40 degrees, angle P is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, then they are asking you the value of angle C here. Okay, so here this is a very good question. You have to know how to solve this, how to get this answer. Okay, so here what they have told, first they have told that triangle PQR is congruent to triangle ABC. Okay, so the triangles are congruent. So that means their corresponding sides are equal, their corresponding angles are also equal. So I can say that, so here what it looks like, so we can say here maybe they are congruent by ASA. So if they are congruent by ASA, this is A side and this is another angle, right? So we have here, then we can say this is 90 degree. We can say this 5 centimeter and this is 40 centimeter, right? If we prove them to be congruent by ASA, if they are congruent by ASA, so it is ASA. So here also the corresponding angles, this angle will become 90 degree because it is corresponding to angle P, and angle B becomes 40. And this side we keep it as 5 centimeter as the corresponding side of PQ. Okay. Now this angle. So now what was angle R? We can find out angle R. Here also we can find out angle C. So angle C will be, we will subtract from 180 the sum of the other two sides. Okay, this is based on sum of the angles of triangle. Okay, so when we subtract from 180, we get 90 plus 40 is 130. So we get 50 degrees. So angle C will be 50 degrees. Okay, so that is the option. C will be 50 degrees. All right. Okay, so let's see the question number 8 here. Question number 8 is triangle ABC. Question number 8, triangle ABC. Let's quickly draw triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Okay, so here we'll see what is given. So triangle ABC, triangle DEF, AB is equal to DE, AB is equal to DE is given, and BC is equal to EF is given. Okay, and angle B is equal to angle E is given. So it's very clear that they are congruent by, so we can say here triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by SAS. See, the corresponding sides, angle and side are equal. So they are congruent by SAS rule. Okay. So now we know they are congruent. Then they are asking you, they have given you perimeter. So perimeter of triangle ABC is given 20, right? Since the triangles are congruent, they equally fit onto each other, right? So that means perimeter of triangle DEF also will be 20 only, because the congruent, what is the meaning of congruent triangle? Congruent triangles are the triangles which are having same shape and size. So if perimeter of one triangle is ABC, its congruent triangle also will have the same perimeter, that is ABC. Now that is 20. Okay. So here the option which we select is 20. Okay. Let's see question number 9. Again 9 also says two congruent triangles ABC. So again if we see triangle, question number 9, we'll again draw triangle ABC and triangle, they've given you DEF. Okay, triangle ABC, DEF. Here AB is equal to DE, again here AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF. Okay, name the pairs of equal angles. So here this is also a very good question. So here what is a pair of equal angle we can apply? Now what are the congruence rules we know? We know SAS, we know SSS, we know ASA, we know AAS and RHS. Okay, so now here two sides are given equal. So obviously this will not apply. Okay, here also this will not apply, RHS will not apply because there is no right angle triangle. So out of, now two sides are given and now here two angles are given, even this will not apply. So what is left with us? SAS. So they are asking you name the pair of equal angles. So I can say angle B is equal to angle E because it this rule applies to this congruency. Okay, so SAS we can apply here. So which angle we have to write equal? Angle B is equal to angle E. We can't write any other angle to be equal, so because we need to use this congruency. Apart from all this, only this congruency will fit. So the included angle has to be, the included angle, that is the angle between the two sides, has to be angle B and angle E. Okay, so that's why we say that it is angle B is equal to angle E. Okay, so they are the equal angles. Okay, so the last question, if the corresponding angles of two triangles are equal. Now suppose if I draw two triangles ABC or triangle DEF, they are telling here, the question is saying if the corresponding angles of two triangles, maybe the corresponding angle we can draw, you can draw A equal to D, B equal to angle E or angle C equal to angle F. So they are telling that if the corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, then they are always congruent. But have we studied AAA congruency? Have we studied AAA congruency? We have not studied. So what are the congruencies? Only 5 congruencies we have studied. So this congruency is not there, right? We have not studied this congruency. That means if the corresponding angles, if all the 3 angles are equal to the corresponding angles of another triangle, they cannot be congruent because there is no congruency rule like AAA. Okay, so this is false. So we can say C option is the answer. Okay, so children, these were some of the important MCQs, okay, in triangle chapter. So this will give you an idea of how an MCQ questions can come in your exam and what is the way you can solve it and quickly answer that. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful to you. So if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, like, share my channel. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.